Mom's takoyaki is very popular among our friends, but she didn't make takoyaki these days. It was worth a bit. Very delicious takoyaki, so easy to make.
こ手際よくいきます。6個、はい。ちょっと作業変えた。
How to make takoyaki is very easy if only know the tips to turn it over. If you make it well, you can be a hero in takoyaki party. As you may know, octopus is not good for ducks. Please be careful. If you cannot find octopus, other material like sausage is okay. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel.
Bye.
Bye. See you again.